if you go right, you're going to go left, and if you go left, you're going to go right.
If you're going to be flying, having a license is definitely a good thing to have.
Yeah. You got it.
This event has been a creation of a beautiful partnership with Coastline. It all started with our Process Tech program that we have our individuals in a cohort model to provide the support, would be able to take their certificate program and become operators to eventually make 6 figures and a great career. So we thought, why not let's expose our community to the many other opportunities that we have to kind of give the students a better idea of what's possible outside of once you're done with high school, you got to go to work.
Los invitamos a aprender más sobre Coastline College.
There's opportunities. We just got to be able to show them and expose them to them and have them engaged. I think the beauty of this is the engagement, the exposure, to show them that there's not just one way. They can choose whichever way they want to do, right? And whatever career they want, whatever interests them. And it's a beautiful thing because it's all online. So it enables our demographics and our students to be able to do more and not be confined by the typical 4-year or any type of institution where they have you go a certain way and a certain route, right? This is different, but a great different. And it works for our students and our participants and everybody that comes to us, because at the end of the day, we have to make sure that they're on track and they're able to do what they need to do while still be able to make a living and actually uplift our communities.
In career education, one of the most impactful things we do is outreach to our community. It's also one of the most fun. We did 2 career education camps this summer, and this one was the next step in our partnership with SBCC. During these camps, our faculty present about their fields and talk about the degrees and certificates that lead to high-wage, in-demand jobs. For this camp, we had a day on our cybersecurity program, a day on our business and supply chain programs, and a day on our digital media and drone programs. Our faculty really worked to bring the curriculum to life. There's nothing like seeing the participants flying drones for the first time. For cybersecurity, they learned about digital privacy and also got to see a guest speaker from someone who actually works in the field. Coastline is an HSI, and it's really critical that we're serving our community and meeting them where they are. We were able to do this camp as a multi-generational bilingual experience. We were even able to provide space for SBCC's daycare so that parents of younger kids who wanted to attend were still able to. We had middle school, high school, and adult participants all learning together. SBCC provided us with a vital connection to the community, and we were thrilled to introduce the participants to some of the high-wage, high-demand programs at Coastline College. We already can't wait to do it again.
Anybody ever experienced their debit card, credit card, or family members, like money being taken out of their account? Yeah, can you tell me about what happened?
This class that we had today was really interesting because you're learning about cybersecurity and stuff.
My name is Carrie Flood, and I'm an investigator with Placentia Police Department. So I want to educate the students about cybersecurity, and because there's so many cyber activities going on online, it's a great way for them to realize, to see, hey, this is what's going on online, and to be careful, and also let them know that, hey, if they are interested in getting a job online, there's so many cybersecurity jobs out there that they can invest in and look into and apply for. And also let them know that the lady presenting today, Andrea Barrios, was one of my teachers, and I was one of her students, so it's great just to come back today and present and talk to the kids about what I went through and my education about cybersecurity and the classes that I went through and where I am today and how I got my job, and I'm very happy about that.
One of the websites is Have I Been Pawned? And you just put in your email or phone number and it says, oh, you have not been pawned or you have been pawned. Poor Victor over there, he got pawned like 6 times.
It was a really cool experience. I don't really do things like this that much, but knowing that I was able to come here today was actually very nice.
The program is cool. It's really nice because you do a lot of activities, and on Friday I think we're going to Knott's.